Once you sign into the app as a Kenyan user, this is where you're going to land. And you can see from the home page, as a Kenyan user, I have my primary balance displayed in KES, but I don't have any funds in my KES wallet. Now I can add money into my KES wallet by going to add money. So I go to add money, and the app will ask, I need to enter how much I want to add in my KES wallet. Let's say I want to add 1,000 Kenyan shillings. I'm going to pay a gateway fee of 28 Kenyan shillings, and I will receive net 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Then I do add money. Now it takes me to SwyChr Pay, and I say pay. Now the next step would bring me where I can choose to pay by Airtel or M-Pesa. Let's say I choose M-Pesa. Now I need to enter the number in the right format. So I will just use an example: 7989894952. So you can see you don't have to put any zero in front. I can go ahead and pay. Once, if I click on pay, what will happen is it will now, I will receive a request on M-Pesa side to approve, and once I approve, this transaction will be completed. But now I'm not going to pay, so I will go back into the app. That was just to show you how you need to enter the number so you can pay. Now the next step is I want to send money. Let's say I want to send money to Cameroon. I go to send money, and I have two wallets: my US dollar wallet and my Kenyan shillings wallet. Now to send money to Cameroon, or to send money to a mobile money number, a bank account in Nigeria, you have to do it from your US dollar wallet. If you're sending money into another SwyChr account, you want to send Kenyan shillings to another SwyChr account, you can do that from your local currency wallet. So I go into, which makes sense because you cannot send Kenyan shillings into a mobile money account that is denominated in ZAF. You cannot send Kenyan shillings into a bank account that is denominated in Naira. So I choose USD wallet as my source wallet, and I do next, and I have different options here. So how do you choose one of the method that you want to send the money? So I say I want to send to a mobile money account. If I'm sending to Cameroon, then next I can choose the country. So I'm choosing Cameroon as the country of destination, and I say I want to send $50. The user will get 29,737. Then I do next. Now it will show me a summary of the transaction and my balance and so on. I don't have any beneficiary, but I can add one. So I go to add beneficiary, and I can choose either Orange Money or MTN Mobile Money, and I can just add the beneficiary. Let's say test beneficiary, and then I can enter a certain number, mobile money number, which is linked to that account, and I say submit. Then I have to put my PIN to confirm that I'm the one creating the beneficiary, and you would have created your PIN when you created your account. So it automatically selects that beneficiary, and I can complete this transaction. But again, for the sake of testing, I'm not going to complete this transaction because it's a test transaction. So I'll go back to the home screen, and let's assume that I wanted to send money to Nigeria. I will do the same thing. Then instead of choosing mobile money, I will choose bank account, and I will do next. Then I will select Nigeria. and I would say I want to send $50. They will get 73,000 Naira, and I do next. Then I can add a beneficiary, and you can see Nigeria is bank account. I can fill all of these details, and I can complete the transaction. So that's how sending money works. Now let's assume that I had money let me put some money in my KES wallet. So I go to my US dollar wallet where I have $96, and I convert, say I want to convert to Kenyan shillings, and I say I'm converting $50, and I do submit. Then I'm going to have this amount credited in my KES wallet, which is, if I go now, you can see my balance in my Kenyan shillings wallet has increased. Now if I go to, let's say I added money to my Kenyan shillings wallet, but I don't have money in my US dollar wallet, and I want to send, and I can demonstrate this. Let's go to send money, and I take PUSD wallet. I have only $46 in my wallet, right? So let's go next. Then I say I want to send by mobile money, and I do next, and I select Cameroon, and then I say I want to send $50. Now the app will tell me that I don't have enough money in my US dollar wallet, so I can convert. I can either add money or I can convert. So I do convert. It will now take me into my fiat wallet where I can select my Kenyan shillings. I can convert from my Kenyan shillings wallet by just clicking on convert to USD. Then I can select Kenyan shillings as the source currency, and I say I want to get $10. Now, no, I want to get so minimum 10k here. So I want to convert 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Let me add. I want to convert 1,500 Kenyan shillings, and I do submit, confirm. It automatically converts some money from my Kenyan shillings wallet. And if I go to my fiat wallet, which is right there on the dashboard, I can see that transaction. Then I go to my KES wallet. I can see that I had 6,000 something before, which was converted from US dollar back to Kenyan shillings. And now I have converted again, I've converted 1,500 Kenyan shillings back to US dollar. So you can convert funds between the wallets and you can do your transactions. If I want to send money just to another SwyChr wallet, I can do send money, and I can send both PUSD and fiat. So I want to send PUSD, for example. I want to send US dollar to a Kenyan shillings wallet. Then I go next. Then I say PUSD wallet, next. Now I just need to enter the recipient's SwyChr tag, which is their unique username. So I want to send to Prince Yaro. Once I enter, it pulls his details, and I can see, and I can send him send funds to this person. So on the other hand, I want to send Kenyan shillings wallet, Kenyan shillings. I can do the same thing, but I just need to select fiat as my source wallet, and then I enter the same tag, and it pulls the person's details. I think I made a mistake. It pulls the person's details, Prince Yaro, yeah, and then now I can send Kenyan shillings. So that's how it works. Now, apart from sending money, there are other functionalities. I can buy airtime with my in-app balance. I can simply go to airtime, and I can enter a Kenyan number. So the code is already there. So I enter 79898984952. I think I made a mistake. So it's 798984952. Then I do next. The app will check to see which telco. So this belongs to Safaricom, and I can choose any plan. I can say I want to send in Kenyan shillings only. I want to send 500 Kenyan shillings, and I will pay just 500 Kenyan shillings for this transaction. But I'm not going to go ahead with this transaction. Just wanted to demonstrate. So this is how the app works for Kenyan users.